Every day, yeah, is it Magdan? Yeah. Yes, Magdan, yes. Now, one of our colleagues, JoyNews, Abrante Bako reporter Oye Najuma as a journalist. That's what you did. Me name said na ne homa yo. Said na ne yira bunu ofie. Said na ye ntua de ka o. Said na sabe dambi na obo. Said na dwe na enya dwumo said den yo. I don't get it. In the next 10 seconds or 5 seconds, you need to catch a video because I want you to appreciate the thing much more better. As soon as I can watch him.
On the AM show, reporting live on the scene. At that time, it was only you. And then on decks, that's where we saw you speak to this guy was left, and then the intervention came in. So from the time you were there, around 8 on the AM show, until the time after 10 a.m., there was no military presence.
No military person, no police, nothing. So the time you saw the military man attack the eyewitness was when they actually arrived. So we had no interaction with them prior to that interview. We were just rolling our interview. The only people who came before the military were the officers from Maakye. So the gentleman started speaking to us. Less than a minute, we heard sirens and the military men with guns, jumped off and came straight to us. And we saw what happened in the video. They started beating the...
But the claim is that, and from what we're picking, the National Security Operatives came.
I'm just a journalist to report on
some workers of Madam were in the process.
Now, Osha saw video where a very disturbing video. Now, JoyNews presenter, Mame one about because you video way from Muhonomo. Now, JoyNews presenter and a reporter, a interview. Now, so journey from nowhere. Without any level of provocation, now Koya Tambelt. Now, soldier for also, sir, do tell me about some group of one. It's a minute for no. Among good day, never get cry. Soldier for the business too much. Maybe I come say one of the best things that has to me. And it's a many soldier for now for me. But my camp will move Philip, papa. But then, pay one now for because I'm not good day, never. Or Nim said, no. Now the parkour way to the bed, you can ask them the TV so or car or nyawoshi. Now I got cheap belt and the sea branches so album. Oh, grand no now for me, so soldiers for as to the video they check green. Now was not say branches no one boom. Ye Jen and was Adaya obey before you complain. At what point, Anna granted an interview to the press about a criminal activity or Ghana. But of course, I appreciate the swift response from the presidency, the communications department of the office of the president, that is Felix Ofosu-Kwakye, and the statement about Bonte, condemning this very useless, barbaric issue from the Ghana Armed Forces. Now Ghana Armed Forces for Nakaso acknowledges the fact to say, Omunipa no yes, I don't say not dream you, say not dream you, say not the more fools, say not the red jano, say when you're broken hearts or dynamo, say there's a now audio, whatever. I'm also so I condemn us useless attack we are. Echo so Edema South and Johnny in Nasifono. Share, when me come say, democracy is not about Ntokwa. And you can make kebi. Any send ye beya, yebema, yebebo anubabaye. Na asumdwe any pepepe ye diaba. Your interest today it's not my interest tomorrow. The fact is that we interest and interest and this is my interest. Demolition exercise na ekoso. Na soldiers for more supervise demolition exercise. Ghana military service. Is it your responsibility to be supervising demolition exercise? Is it your responsibility? Some brothers, ye nuanom kra wo soro hono mo a ntawatawa asia ye pekwa be fa so amasumdwe di aba ye nya masumdwe maye ye nuanom binum wo wu na mo de sa de we ketra we hye brante we ya na mfetusu a no akota belt ne mrante miesa so da fo miesa mo che guru so da mo bo no some brothers ne ma dwe wo he mo nya sa se buru no gara ya mo dia ya bra mo ne sa se buru no. Some of these military guys are doing fantastic jobs. They are serving their country with a lot of respect and dignity.